Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an overlay in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our project. From here we just go into a project that we want to edit. Like this. And then here we just tap on overlay in the bottom bar, and yeah, we can add an overlay layer here, and we can just tap on add overlay again, and then select a picture that we want to add as a new layer inside the video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.